Hey feelers! Welcome to a brand new episode of Feelings Explained. So once again, if this is your first episode, I am Pat. And today I feel like 8 out of 10 in a negative scale. So negative 8 po yun.
Bakit naman sila mga negative?
Negative. Ikaw, Gian.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Gian. I think our feelers know that by now. Right now, I'm a 7 just because birthday ko 7 at malapit na siya. Cherry.
Amazing.
Excited. Yun lang.
So, this episode actually, kung may nakikita po kayo sa harap nyo, this
It's
episode,
not a live selling.
this is not a live selling episode. Wala po tayo sa TikTok. But we are, this episode is actually in partnership with BBB. So, that actually means boobs, booty, and body. Yes. So, syempre, kung nanonood po kayo sa Spotify or wherever we upload our podcast, you can actually see na meron po kaming kasama dito and we're not in our usual spot. So,
Yes.
allow us, of course, to introduce our plus one. So first and foremost, one of our plus one is the Senior Brand Manager of BBB since June. Please welcome Justin!
Hello! Yay!
And
Hi!
Yeah.
Justin! Hi, I'm Justin. So, thank you, Pat and Gian, for having me. So, I'm the Senior Brand Manager for BBB. So, I've been with BBB since June. Actually, June 30. Almost July.
Wow!
So today I feel like a 10.
Wow.
I feel as colorful as the rainbow today.
Amazing!
galing.
Diba?
Oh my
I love
God.
that.
Yes,
Okay.
Queen. Clock that
Love
shit.
that.
And last but definitely not the least, this is one of our returning plus ones.
Yes, you're turning.
She is a creative director, a part-time professor, and a founder of a boutique creative agency specializing in beauty and lifestyle campaigns. With nearly a decade of experience, she has built a career around thoughtful storytelling and visual identity and enjoys helping young creatives find their own voice. Outside of work, she's curious about how creativity and self-reflection shape the way we live and connect. Please give a warm welcome to our returning plus one, Zay!
Hi! Hello, Pat and Gian.
Hello.
Thanks for having me again. Sana hindi pa kayo nagsasawa sa
Hindi
kakulitan
naman.
ko.
Tagal naman na nung last. So, okay lang.
Actually, sana na-miss nyo rin ako, feelers. Sana-
Yes.
Thank you.
Tama.
So today, I wanna say I feel like a 50 out of 10. Pero sabi
Wow.
ng watch ko, yung body battery ko is just 5. So maybe we're shutting down.
Fail.
I don't know.
Hindi
Fail.
na tuloy yung
Diba?
episode.
Parang kulang pa sa kape.
Kulang pa sa
Kulang
kape.
pa.
But yeah, we will
Good.
survive.
Ilalaban
and we will
natin.
try to thrive.
Yes.
Yes, I love that. I love all our check-ins right now. So, Gian, I think it's high time that we go to our small win or shit of the
Yes.
week. So, what's yours?
Just, napabuntong hininga na. Oh my gosh. Actually, kanina nga, hindi ko alam if I have a win or a shit because it's like a mix of everything. But let me just say, let's just say win na lang. Kasi Q4 na. Yes.
Yes.
Alam ko iba
Happy
yung,
Q4.
Diba? Happy Q4 talaga. Parang iba yung, ano niya yung enter niya. Parang gusto niya magpasabog.
Talaga pinaparamdam na
Pinaparamdam.
for na
Yes.
and here.
I'm here to stay. Tas 3
Correct.
months pa ako. Ganon.
Mhm.
Yun yung feeling ko na parang, okay, it's a win because we got here, yes. And natuloy to because this has been like, it's been a few weeks, a few months in the
Mm.
making. So I'm so excited, that we partnered with BBB. So that is my actual win for this week. How about you, Pat?
Ako, I have a win also.
Okay.
Despite sa ating negative 8. Kasi, for the past few weeks, I really feel like a negative 8.
Amen.
Diba? Minsan mga mas mababa. So, I
Tototohanin
feel
na
like a
natin.
lava. Real talk lang po tayo dito.
Yeah.
So, ang saving grace ko actually ay si Taylor Swift. Dahil nilabas na po niya ang The Life of a Showgirl.
Showgirl.
And of course, ang pinaka-famous line po niya sa track title niya na Wood ay Your love was the key that opened my thighs. I felt that. I felt the nastiness. Yes, girl, go
This
get
is the
that.
first
dick.
time I'm hearing the
She's a
lyrics.
Swiftie.
I'm a
Oh.
Swiftie. Yes, she
Yes.
also has that line where
Ang nag-viral,
Um,
I'm a bad bitch, something,
Oh.
something.
yes. She also has that lyric sa isa niyang track track na father figure that says I make parang I can make deals with the devil because my dick's bigger.
Yes.
Love.
Yes.
BDE.
Yes.
Joseph, diba? Joseph.
Hindi masyado.
Hindi ba siya? Okay lang yan.
Okay
We
lang.
accept that.
We
No
accept
shame.
that. No shame.
No shame.
No shame.
Let's have ask this girl and
Yes. Yes. Oh, she also has a diss track for Charlie XCX. Yes.
That I wanna listen to. That I wanna listen
It's
to.
it's a
Okay.
it's a good track.
Okay.
Oh my God. So
Noted.
yun lang naman po ang aking small win.
Win.
Yes.
So, simulan natin sa Justin. What is your small win or shit of the week?
Okay, yung small win ko, actually, tama ka, Gian. This has been, parang may back and forths pa talaga tayo bago
Yes.
tayo napunta dito
Yes.
in this studio.
In this
So, I
episode.
think this is a small win for me as a brand manager for BBB.
Oh, that's
yay.
great.
We're so happy that you're here.
I'm so happy
Yes.
also.
Zane.
Medyo nag-resonate sa akin na parang
Love that.
the shit in a win.
Yes, correct.
Naghahatakan sila kung ano ba yung magpaparamdam
Oh.
talaga.
Yeah.
I feel like the win, career-wise, at least may mga projects, hindi
Correct.
tayo namumulubi.
Amen.
Correct.
Ah,
Yun ang
gusto natin
importante.
Na parang
Yes.
we're requesting food on the plate. So,
Amen.
hindi tayo magre-reklamo na it's full.
Amen.
Pero the shit is, the weather, lahat tayo pagod. I feel like everybody
Parang,
can relate na parang 70% of the population nagkasakit. Di ba?
Yes.
Totoo.
Everybody,
Yes.
like parang most of the people I know, nagkasakit, nagkalagnat, yada yada.
Yeah.
So the shit of the week, kakasakit ko lang, kaka-recover ko lang yesterday. So
Yeah.
sorry if ganito yung aking voice, medyo bobo. But also, mahirap pagkasakit guys, mag-ingat tayo lahat.
Totoo.
Take your water and vitamins.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's so true.
According nga po kay Bretman Rock, drink your water, bitch.
Bitch.
Yes.
Favorite word natin yun today,
Yes.
Right.
Oo nga pala. May branded content.
Tawad po.
On fire.
Sorry. Kakart na lang namin.
Mo tayo parang doon sa harapan.
Oo.
Yung
Nandyan,
outtakes
diba?
talaga yung
Wala pang 5
minutes.
wala pang sustansya yung conversation.
Baka wala na kami makuhang 15 seconder, di ba?
Pero hindi, madami
Madami naman.
Yes, for sure. So, Pat, I know this episode is exciting. And also, this month is exciting because it's October. Not that it's just Q4, but because mababirthday siya.
Birthday!
As a self-centered bitch.
Charing lang. Hindi, kasi what are we celebrating this month? Alam niyo ba?
Yes.
What?
We are celebrating Halloween. First and foremost. Siyempre, para kunyari.
The most important test.
Diba?
Tama.
But the most
What else?
important kasi talaga is breast cancer awareness.
Yes.
Yes.
So, we're gonna dig deep into that later on. But, Pat, begin. What is... I know, we have a game.
Yes.
Oh my
O,
God,
game
it's a
muna.
Rewind.
Nag-save ako sa BCA eh.
Pero
go, Pat.
tama ka naman. Before we start the episode, of course, we wanted to give like a warm thingy-majig
Yes.
sa guest natin. So we prepared a game called BBB. So it means bring it, bling it, or bin it. So basically, the game is, or the mechanics of the game is that we will give you a word na walang context. So you will either choose bring it, bling it, or bin it. So if you say bring it, ibig sabihin parang, oh, I like this, I love it, I'll get it.
Okay.
Parang,
Gotcha.
take home na to.
Hmm.
So if you say bling it, it means na, okay, gusto ko siya, pero you can like take something out or you can add something in. So you literally bling it. Okay. And then last but not the least is bin it. So parang, okay, tapon nyo na yan, ayoko na yan. I do not want to see it. Exile, ganon.
Okay.
So, I will be your game master. The three of you will be the players. So, our first word is Morena Skin. Bring it, bling it, or bin it.
Bring it.
Ay, ang
Bring it.
powerful.
Bring it.
Yun pala. Yun pala yung game.
Oo, yun pala. Hindi pala kami isa-isa?
Hindi, pwede naman kayo isa-isa lang.
Ah, okay.
Nagkataon lang na chorus kayo.
Chorus
Okay.
time.
Oo.
Pero bring.
Bring it.
Sing
Bring it.
Oh my God, yes. Morena Skin, let's
Oo.
go.
Yes.
Okay. Next, Mondays.
Bling.
Blink.
Bin it.
Bin it.
Bin it.
Oh, okay.
Kasi she's corporate.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes.
As a non-corporate
As a non-corporate.
employed
Oo,
girl,
ako bin it.
it's okay.
Yes.
Blink.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gets. Okay, next. Witty jokes or quips? Witty quips or jokes?
Blink.
Bring.
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 Blink.
Bling. Okay. Interesting. Next. Rain. Ulan.
Ulan.
Yes.
Bling. Bling.
Bling.
Bling.
Oh.
Gets.
Bling.
Blink.
Gets
I'm a
naman.
summer girl.
Yeah, me too. So, bin
Tropical
ako.
girlies.
Okay,
Yeah.
so,
Beach.
yeah, dagat, beach, yes.
Amen.
Well, ako, ayoko kasi ng mainit. Mainit din akong
Gets,
person.
gets.
Okay. Pero kung sasagutin ko din.
Are you not an islander? Like, hindi ka ma-beach?
Hindi naman, ma-beach naman. Pero
Gets.
parang ayoko nung naka...
Humidity.
Oh,
The
Oo.
rain is
Gets.
lagkit.
Siyempre, hindi ka naman nandun sa rain mismo.
Oo
Parang,
naman.
kunwari,
The
indoors
vibes,
ka.
basically.
Oo, the vibes.
Yeah.
The
Gets,
moment.
gets
Oo.
naman.
Okay.
It's the music video giving kasi.
Correct.
Yes, tama.
Dapat nasa loob siya ng room with a window.
Yes.
Tama.
With Adele
Correct.
playing.
Tapos may aircon with a razzle-dazzle.
Yes.
Important yung
Malamig.
aircon.
Oo.
Yes.
Yes.
Noted.
Okay.
Okay, next is beach parties.
Bring.
I love it.
Bring.
Yes. Samahan pa ng yate.
Oo.
Ay!
Pero graduate na ako sa inom-inom na yan.
Ay, tama si.
Oo.
Ay, pwede bumalik.
Tama.
Kaya na may reunion
Mag-re-enroll.
eh.
Yes.
Tama,
Yes.
tama.
Uso ang reunion eh.
Yeah.
Next, whitening.
Bin.
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 Bin. Okay.
Alive.
Next, stretch marks.
Bring.
Bling.
Bling.
Oh, bling.
Yeah,
Love that. Pero yes, bling din.
Bling.
Next is traffic.
Bin.
Especially
Amazing.
here.
Alam na, alam.
Manila.
Oo. Kaya nga, nag-usap ba kayo?
May kopya kami ng question. Hindi mo alam.
Hindi ako informed. I'm so sorry.
Na-align ko sa kanila.
May whistleblower.
Habang nag-banyo, ito guys.
Oo.
Mag-align
Sagot
tayo.
natin lahat.
Okay.
Next is little black dress.
Bring.
Bling.
Oh, LBD eh.
Bring, bling, and
Bling.
Bling.
bling. Yes.
Bling.
Next, high heels.
Bring.
Bin.
Bin.
Actually, hindi ka mata-cover.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Bring.
Scars.
Bling.
Bling.
Bin.
Mm. Women.
Bring.
Doy, who run the world?
Girls.
Amen. Let's go, Beyonce. Salamat po, Beyonce, sa
Salamat.
sa mga pinakamagandang
Sama.
quotes.
So,
Yes.
Amen.
Self-care.
Bring.
Bring.
Love it.
Okay.
And ironically, the next word is love.
Bring.
Bling.
Over it.
Bling na lang ako.
Bling, bling.
Ako bring.
Oh.
Bring.
Oh my God.
As a lover girl.
Oh,
As a lover
Oh my
girl.
God. She's a lover and a fighter.
Yes.
Amen.
Yes.
We just celebrated our anniversary the other day.
Oh, happy anniversary.
Pero first pa lang.
Yes. Last but not the least,
Anniv.
Genuine.
sorry po, taga
Ayaw
po
ka.
ako dito sa upuan na ito.
Important event din siya this
Oo
October.
naman.
Oo.
Oo naman.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero hindi kasi Valentine's Day. PCA.
Oh my gosh. Mga bitter pala yung mga
Bitter.
tao dito.
Tsaka mag-celebrate ng Halloween, pwede ba?
Pwede, pwede yun muna.
Tsaka BCA.
Okay.
Last but not the least is the sun.
Bring.
Bling.
Oh.
Bling.
Okay. So, thank you for participating in our BBB
Thank
game.
you so much. Thank you for allowing me to join.
Minsan lang naman din
Minsan
tayo
lang naman.
makasali sa
Tama.
game.
Correct.
Diba?
Okay.
So, ito na. Ito na yung main body, guys.
Madami.
Ito pa lang yun.
Okay. So, ito na. So, once again, we thank you, of course, for choosing feelings to host this platform or to showcase your products. But we want to jump in head first.
Okay.
Kumbaga. So, for you, what is your trying my best to love this body part?
Kasi ever since, as in, chubby girl talaga ako.
Mhm.
So, it's, hindi naman super hard, pero it's been challenging lang din to love this body. Kaya din, I don't like beach trips. Hindi naman I don't like, pero
Gets.
hindi ako more into beach trips is because hindi ako nagbe-bikinis. It was
Yeah.
actually my first time wearing a two-piece last year. So, yun din.
Gets.
Yay.
Yeah.
Ayun, so, going back to your question, yun din, yung parang mahirap din actually, kahit na uso na ngayon na parang love yourself, wag pansinin yung sinasabi ng iba, merong mga kadiliman sa katawan,
Yes.
may mga stretch marks and all. Pero parang at the back of your mind, parang na-insecure ka pa rin eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totoo. You know what? Sorry. Can I just, hindi pa ako magko-comment sa answer niya, but I'm just gonna say na for the longest time, like we've been doing feelings for a while, for years already. And then, never namin napag-usapan ng body love. As in, we talk about love, relationships,
Yes, yeah,
friendships, connections, but never really the physical body
Yeah.
concerns,
Yeah.
issues. Pero we both have that. Like, napag-usapan na namin na, gusto namin talaga to i-pipeline. Pero parang, ang perfect lang din ng timing that, BBB came in and then, this is exactly what we wanted to share in this parang era of our lives.
Yeah.
Kasi now that we're in our 30s kasi pareho. So, andun kami ngayon in the podcast and how we wanna share our stories then and our feelings. So, parang, parang minsan na ano din ako na, I thought at 30 you'd feel super okay ka na.
Empowered.
Yeah, and
Akala mo
confident.
okay
Yes.
ka na. Pero parang, ang dami ko pa
Ganun
palang-
pa rin pala.
Ganun pa rin. pala.
Diba?
Yeah.
Actually, totoo yan eh. Totoo
Diba?
yung sinabi mo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I can also relate to what you said na parang about the beach trip. I also do not really wear or have worn like a two-piece. Pero,
So, anong sinusot mo pag nasa beach?
parang one piece. One piece and then shorts and like
Crush
accessories
guard,
and all.
ganun.
Yeah. Or shorts pero anong tawag doon? Yung triangle? Yung,
Halter.
hindi, as in yung top.
Bikini top.
Bikini
talaga.
top.
Pero shorts.
Oo.
Ganon.
Same. Ako
Yeah,
shorts,
mas ganun.
tsaka bikini top.
Yeah.
Alam mo, ako naman din, same tayo na, well, ako kasi I really challenged myself to wear a bikini. So yung parang, yung mga nag-start ako sa tangkini.
Oo.
Kasi ako,
Oh.
as parehas ako eh, malaki kasi akong girl, chubby
Yes.
girl ako eh. Yung pagiging chubby ko naman din kasi started from operations from the past na parang
Yeah.
fat deposit na talaga. So, I started becoming very insecure, especially with my midsection. So, ang sa akin nun, andun kasi yung parang thinking mo na, shit, titignan ako ng mga tao.
Yeah.
Oo,
always.
andun
Pero
siya.
parang ako naman, hindi naman ako nagjo-judge din ng ibang tao. So,
Correct.
parang wala naman talaga akong pakialam sa ibang tao. So, parang ba't ko iisipin na ganun din yung iniisip nila?
Yeah.
Parang it's just me. Ako lang yung
Yeah.
kalaban.
Super.
It's me versus me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Talaga.
Yeah. Totoo.
Ikaw, Zane, what is that part of your body na parang you're trying your best to love?
Okay. Medyo same avenue of what we have just talked about. Kasi as a big girl also, parang we were raised and conditioned to love a certain type of body.
Yes.
Yeah.
Na
Yes.
parang ito, mga balingkinitan, dainty petite, di ba?
Yes.
Yan yung maganda.
Petite girl.
Yan yung standard. Ito yung maganda sa lahat, sa mata ng lahat ng tao. Pero parang, I'm very happy to see, especially with, the social media, everything. Like, lahat naman, ang daming chronicling online. Na parang when we talk about beauty now, body, sizes, na parang wala nang talagang, basically walang iisang hulma na maganda.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Tapos parang may favorite akong quote na lagi ko nakikita na parang, you can call me fat, but you can never call me ugly.
Oh,
yes.
Diba?
Love that,
Parang
sis.
hello, sige, malaki
Tama.
ako, pero ang ganda ko pa rin.
Oo.
Diba?
May face
Like
girl
all
daw.
of us, low never declines.
Yes.
Right? Tapos
Correct,
parang
correct.
it brought me to thinking na talagang, before kasi, pag malaki ka, hindi ka naman sasabihang pangit, pero it's always ang ganda mo, pero.
Oo.
Oo.
There's a
May-
butt.
oo.
There's a butt.
May butt.
Correct.
I had to. Diba, parang lagi siyang may minus factor. So
Yes,
parang
yes.
at least now, yung thinking ng mga ng tao, parang, okay, you're big, and you're also beautiful.
And,
Yeah.
Diba?
hindi na siya butt, pero
Correct.
end na
Oo.
siya.
Yeah.
Correct.
That's so
So
nice.
yun yung talagang pinilit ko siya talaga, i-instill siya sa aking mindset at sa aking brain na, okay, I'm a big girl, but I'm also pretty, hello.
Yes.
So parang, kahit anong isuot ko, kaya ko dapat.
I-bring.
Yes.
I-bring
Yeah.
it. At
Correct.
i-blame it.
Tapos yung sinabi mo kanina na parang, kahit anong mangyari, you will think about what other
Others.
people are thinking, di ba?
Yes.
Given. Pero parang pag tinignan mo naman talaga yung mga tao, wala namang pakialam.
Yeah.
Oo.
Nobody's looking at you, girl. So
Yeah.
parang, go on.
Yeah.
And also, just to add lang, madalas lang kasi yung mga ignorant thinking of, ay mataba siya kasi, or kaya yung saying na, magkaka-boyfriend ka sana kung hindi ka mataba.
Oo.
Oh my God!
Yung mga boomer.
Boomer, grabe.
Jai.
Grabe.
Totoo yun.
Tsaka parang, meron din yung kung hihiwalay lang ako ng konti sa body size, sa parang, alam mo, kung kinoba mo yung, tuhod mo, o tsaka elbows mo, parang siguro magkakajowa ka ng maayos.
Correct.
O kaya yung mga maiitim na parts, so parang, girl, normal po ang hyperpigmentation. So parang, pwede chill-chill lang tayo dyan.
Tao lang po tayong
Oo.
lahat.
Yes.
We have scars.
Tsaka
we
yung
have-
iba may underlying medical conditions
Yeah,
talaga.
That's true.
exactly.
Yeah.
Totoo. Actually, yun pala, hindi ko nasama sa shit. Wow. Babalik.
Ano yan?
Pero hindi kasi, oh my God, speaking of like, body health, ano yung sabi mo kanina?
Underlying,
conditions.
yes.
Yeah. So my family or like my tita, my mom, meron silang psoriasis.
Okay.
Well, my tita talaga, as in parang all throughout her life na parang adult life, meron siya. Tapos medyo kinabahan ako recently. I don't know if what triggered this, but meron ako naging parang inflamed part of my skin sa may likod ng butt.
Mm-mm.
Like recently lang, as in a week ago. Na ngayon, I'm taking meds for it. And I'm kind of scared kasi parang bakit? Is it because I'm 30 na parang lumalabas na yung mga
Start na ba yung mga
Oo, yung mga
sakit-sakit?
condition na ganyan. And then thankfully, there are products or like there are medications now na talagang has been really helpful. Like, pumunta ako agad sa derma. Sinabi ko talaga na, Doc, please, can you check this? Kasi hindi ko kaya na parang all throughout my life, I would wonder ano yung nagawa ko. So, super important to be very cautious. Especially now at our age na, ito na, ang dami nang lumalabas. Q4 na kasi, di ba?
Q4 na rin eh.
October na kasi.
Yun. Oo, totoo. Ganon. Tapos, Zane, sorry. I wanna ask, when you said kanina about like, pinilit mo talagang sarili mo to think about na, hindi, no matter what they say or what society thinks of what beautiful looks like. Parang, paano nag-bring about sa sarili mo na kailangan ko ipilit to kasi walang gagawa para sa akin? Ganun ba?
Yes, and napapagod ako mag-overthink.
Yes.
Actually.
Like,
Amen.
Araw-araw akong nasa labas, di ba? So, every day, iisipin ko, oh my God.
Hindi
ano
ako
nangyari sa
payat,
akin?
ganun.
Hindi ako payat.
Mm-mm.
Ang laki ng size ng pantalon ko, yung top ko
Yeah.
fitted, tapos may chan ako. So what?
Gets. I love
Napagod ako
that.
dun eh. Tsaka, sorry, babalik. Dami natin rewind.
Bilang!
Talagang rewind extreme.
Gets.
Balik ako dun sa bikini dagat moment. As a plus size, tropical girly in the Philippines, mahirap talaga.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo.
The judgment naman talaga.
Ayaw talaga
Totoo.
ng patantanan.
Tsaka yun talaga, it exists.
Yes,
It
it
exists.
really exists.
Andyan siya talaga. So parang pinilit ko din na, I think I started nung pandemic.
Yep.
Na pag magdadagat ako, the bikini top. Pero hindi ko pa rin kaya yung pambaba.
Oo.
Yun yung
Same.
next natin.
Working
moment.
on it.
Oo,
Amen.
moment. So
Yeah.
yun, so naka-shorts, tsaka bikini top. Kasi before, tank top, hindi ko kaya yung rash guard.
Oo.
Kasi ako naman gusto ko magpatan. So kailangan ko pa rin kaya.
Ng revelation,
Oo.
ganyan.
So
Yes.
kailangan pa rin ng top. But yeah, so at least,
Yeah.
may progress.
Correct.
Pero
Yes.
you know what's hard? Kung sarili mong family mismo yung nagsasabi sa'yo na ano ba yung suot mo?
Yeah.
Ang
Yeah.
ano mo, ang ganyan
Oo.
mo.
Correct.
Totoo. Alam mo, just like to piggyback on that, kaya din ako nagkakaroon ako before ng insecurities na mag-swimsuit or bikinis.
Yes.
Kasi meron akong isang tito na pag may nakikita siyang someone being confident na hindi siya literally stick thin.
Yeah.
O kaya like yung tummy niya medyo umusli lang. Sasabihin niya na parang tingnan mo si Dabiana.
Oh my
Oh my
That's
God!
my dad
Ulit
before.
narinig yung
Oo.
Dabiana na word.
Yeah, o kaya
Siya.
o kaya kahit sabihin natin
Trigger
oo.
warning.
O kaya kahit sabihin natin yung parang, kahit hindi naman sobrang, alam mo
Malaki.
yung mga mid-size na,
Yeah.
mid-size na katawan. Ganyan sabihin, Dabiana o kaya, ang laki niya oh. Alam mo yung gano'n, tapos minsan may maririnig ka, Free Willy, na parang,
Okay lang
hell?
din.
Okay.
Ang narinig ko din before pagka naka-crop top, uy, si Winnie the Pooh.
Oh my God.
Diba?
Nakakatawa pero nakakairita.
Nakakainis.
Pero
Kasi,
sa
Oo.
Asian families talaga, no?
Oo,
Judgean talaga tayo
hindi lang
kasi.
Filipinos talaga, Asian.
Asian.
Totoo. Kaya alam mo, may discover ako na nasabi ko before sa sister ko. Kaya din ako, ito yung parang nag-start naman sa akin na parang, busit kayong lahat, mag-bikini ako. Kasi sa Spain, wala silang pake.
Yes.
Wala silang pake. So, they have nude beaches. They have, you can wear whatever you want to wear and they won't say anything.
Yeah.
No judgment and walang bastusan.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
Grabe. Ha.
Sana
Pilipinas ang
weekend.
bago na tayo. Diba?
Pero ang bagal kasi ng Pilipinas. Sorry, pero
Mm.
I don't know. It's hard kasi naka-ingrain na
Oo.
sa
Yeah.
culture.
Yeah.
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 Naka-trigger yung Dabiana.
Sobra. Sobra.
Really?
Oo.
The blast from the past. Ang
So,
PTSD
diba?
na yan.
Very 90s yung
Oo.
yung
Paurong na paurong eh.
paurong
Like,
ng paurong.
mm.
Totoo. Tsaka, ano lang I remember this one song from Beyonce, yung song niya na Pretty Hurts. I don't know if you guys are familiar. Yes, yon. Ang ganda lang kasi nung message nung song, it's about, the hypocrisy of the beauty industry.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Na parang magazines are saying na you have to be thin, you have to be unique to be considered beautiful, but TV is saying na bigger is better. So, with today's beauty standards, loving the intimate parts of yourself is really difficult. So, paano kayo how do you break through that noise na parang, bahala kayo dyan, ito focus ko. I will focus on myself.
Siguro for me, mahirap talaga, first of all, kasi like what I mentioned, kapag yung family mo mismo yung nagsasabi sa'yo. So, in my case, kasi I used to live with my parents before.
Yeah.
And then I moved out. That's why I live nearby lang,
Yeah.
the studio. So, mas naging okay rin yung relationship namin. Kasi
Oh, yes.
instead of, parang mas nami-miss na nila ako pag kasi I go home to my parents' house every weekend pa rin.
Okay.
So parang nami-miss na nila ako, hindi na nila parang pansinin yung mga ganong maliliit na
Oo.
bagay.
Yeah.
So,
Kasi pag constantly nakikita, parang ang daming comment.
ang daming
Hindi
comment.
na tumatahimik.
Mas naging okay rin actually yung relationship namin.
Okay.
Amazing.
Mm-mm.
Kayo, Zayn, Gian.
Ako, I live with my mom naman. So, yung mom ko naman, boomer, pero
Progressive.
you gotta give it to her.
Okay.
Nagpo-progress. As in,
Love.
hindi siya the traditional
Gets.
boomer na talak portion everything all
Oo.
day.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so at least we have that. When you said, how do you break through and focus on what works for you, basically, naalala ko, na-mention na natin kanina si Bretman. Naalala ko, meron siyang, I think he was giving a speech about something or like accepting an award, yada. So parang sabi niya, growing up, in the States, as a Filipino, wala siyang representation. Sabi niya, change the channel, bitch. Diba?
Yeah.
So, for me, na-realize ko na ginagawa ko na rin siya bago ko pa narinig yung line na yun ni Brett. Pero parang na-instill na parang, shit, shucks, oo nga. Ganun nga talaga yung gagawin mo eh. If this doesn't work for you, find a different channel, find a different, build another algorithm,
Yes.
build another FYP, diba? Of the things that will work for you. And yung hindi kasi sirain everything.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
that's what worked for me.
Correct. Ako naman, parang, ang daming, like, it's always, kasi parang tulad mo, like, I also, parang in-overthink ko lahat, especially, lalo ng early 20s talaga, na parang,
Early 20s.
I don't know
Yeah,
why,
same,
what's
right?
with it, na parang, kailangan ganito. Parang, kailangan sumunod ako sa ganitong flow. But then,
Standard.
Cut you off.
go.
Early 20s. Feeling ko may effect of the industry we were working at
Pwede.
the time.
Pwede,
Because
yes.
it was very beauty.
Oo,
Ganda.
correct.
Pag hindi ka ganito,
Hindi ka fit.
chatwera ka.
Yeah.
Oo.
Pero recently lang naman kasi nagka-representation din with
Yeah.
women with
That's
skin of
true.
color.
Correct. Which is ang ganda na yun na yung nangyayari ngayon.
Yes.
Pero ang dami pa rin natin ang dami pa rin nag-hold us back,
Yeah.
diba? And it really depends, I think, on your determination na parang, okay,
Oo.
hindi ako
Deadma.
mapapa-apekto. Oo.
Oo.
I mean, thankfully, I think we all here are like parang strong-willed women
Yes.
naman na kayang mag-isip for ourselves
Correct.
or parang mag-decide na, kung ito yung trip ng the rest of the Philippines, sorry, pero ito ako.
Oo.
Correct.
Diba?
Yes.
That's why, no, I don't want it. Pero, it takes a lot of mind setting. Parang ganun. Parang rewiring
yes,
your
actually.
brain na, it's okay na hindi ako fit talaga. Kasi I also experienced like, hindi siya bullying, pero like, alam mo yung parang, bakit nga ba ako pinipintasan ng mga to at pamilya ko pa?
Oo.
Like, that's the painful part of it na parang, bakit di ako enough? And that happened to me like early 20s. Up until I decided, well, what am I gonna do? Ito yun eh. At saka, kasalanan ko bang ito yung genetics ko?
Exactly.
Diba?
Nasa inyo rin naman ang
Oo,
galing.
parang nanggaling din sa inyo to. So, bakit kasalanan ko?
nyo to. Hello.
Na para bang,
Exactly.
Yun. So,
Totoo.
ganun yung feelings ko about it, na parang, at saka, I remember, nung parang nagpapapayat-payat ako, high school, whatever, nung sobrang pumayat naman ako, may comment din. So, parang, ano talaga?
saan na talaga
So, saan ako
lulugar?
lulugar? Ever since, ito yung feelings ko about it. So, parang, nung na-realize ko na, no matter who I am or what I am, whatever I look like, there will always be comments, there will always be feedback na may or may not be helpful for me.
Right.
So, I will take what I can,
Mm.
and I will decide for
What's
myself
good for
na,
you?
Yeah.
talagang pick and choose your battles
Correct.
at this point in my
Talaga.
life. Yeah.
Yun talaga yung mantra natin. every day.
Amen.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Amen.
Ikaw,
Yeah.
Pat, you have thoughts on that?
Ako, sa akin kasi, it's really hard to stay unbothered if people keep provoking you.
Yes.
Amen.
Alam mo yun?
Yes.
Parang ang hirap na hindi
Labanan.
sila kalabanin. Kasi
Oh,
parang, ano ba gusto nyo? Sorry. Ang gigil.
Felt.
Oo. Parang, diba?
Oo.
Kasi parang I'm trying my best to live with what I have.
Right.
So,
Yes.
kung ikaw, meron kang resources to do what you want, then go do what you want. Stop, wasting energy on me. Kasi
Yeah.
I'm trying not to waste my energy on you.
Yes.
So, ano bang, meron ba sa akin na gusto mo? Gusto mo ba din ba ng,
Boring ba buhay
oo,
mo?
Oo.
diba? Parang,
Why do you have the energy for this?
exactly, parang why do you have so much energy to hate on someone? Diba?
Yeah.
Regardless of their body shape or kung ano man ba yung may stretch marks man sila. Kasi I remember ang laking thing ng cellulites.
Oo.
Mas lalo nung mga early 2000s sa movie. Oo,
Yeah,
diba?
depends. Diba?
Ang laki ng thing ng cellulites na parang at the age of, parang, I remember this very clearly, at the age of 15, inisip ko, oh my God, may cellulites na ba ako? And that is so weird to think as a 15-year-old
Yes.
na parang, bakit mo pinoproblema ang cellulite?
Hindi mo dapat yung iniisip
Diba?
eh.
Oo. Tsaka, naalala ko, meron din sa akin na binibigyan nila ako ng parang isang product for stretch marks na, gamitin mo to kasi para yung stretch marks mo mawala.
Yeah.
Parang ganyan. Ako iniisip ko, hindi naman siya mawala, mako-cover up lang naman siya. So,
Mm.
might as well let them hang, di ba?
Yeah.
So ngayon, pag sinasabi sa akin na, hala yung stretch marks mo nakalabas, so?
Correct.
Yeah.
Bakit? Sinampal ka ba?
Oo.
Kinakausap ka ba ng
Oo
flex
nga.
mo?
Bakit? Ininsulto ka ba? Nakaka-insulto
Totoo,
ba siya
no?
sa'yo?
Oo.
Grabe. Nakaka-trigger pala yung mga questions.
Nakaka-trigger.
Okay, break.
Diyos ko. Pero like kayo guys, like currently since we're talking about body love, positivity, how do you incorporate naman? Kasi for sure you guys are busy. How do you incorporate your personal life to taking care of your body talaga? Like meron ba kayong specific na, okay, ito yung mga rituals ko, ito yung mga pagganap ko at 30 or whatever, at whatever age we are.
Ako, I'm gonna be very honest.
Go.
Nung hindi na ako corporate girly,
Mm.
at some point, I lost track of routine. Talaga.
Okay.
Na
Gets.
parang, today is yesterday, tomorrow is today.
Amen to that.
Gets
No?
mo?
Gets na gets.
Parang, what is happening when,
Yeah.
why, ganyan.
Correct.
So parang, tinatry ko siya ulit ngayon. Tinatry
Okay.
kong mag-build ng
Structure.
structure, basically. Tinatry kong ibalik sa Philippine time ang aking body clock.
Gets na gets.
Kasi naging US time ako for a while eh. Parang, ano ba to? Gising
Time
ako,
difference ka
diba,
pala.
matutulog ako ng 5
Jet lag ka
a.m.
pa.
Gising ako ng 1. Tama
Oo.
ba yun? So, ginaground ko lang ulit.
Mahirap yun sleep ha.
Mahirap. So, yun yung tinatry ko as of now. Pero, please, give me
Tips. Yun pala, tips pala.
rituals
Yeah, yeah,
that I
yeah.
can cling on to and
Amen.
adapt.
I have tips on sleep because I am very much locked in on how to find sleep. I will give them to you later. Promise.
Thank you very much.
Ay.
Kailangan mo talaga yun. Kasi
Oo.
malala talaga
So
yun.
until now, 5 a.m. pa rin yung body clock.
Hindi naman, kanina 4 naman ako.
Medyo aga-aga.
Talaga.
Mag-migrate na tayo.
Lagi Lagi ko lang sinasabi na sa maling side lang ako ng mundo.
Oh,
Hindi ako
yes.
puyat.
Actually, totoo naman.
But yeah.
Ay,
Yeah, tsaka I hear a lot of women na when they wake up, they do this, they do that, they stretch, they whatever,
Yes.
they sun, they...
Gets.
Parang gusto kong gawin yung mga ganung bagay.
Gusto ko din
I
yan.
want the time and the energy to do that.
Oo.
Ganon.
Yeah.
Alam mo, speaking of, naiingit ako sa mga influencers na they actually have the time to do that. Yung mga,
Yes.
yung mga
But
parang
it's
naglalagay ng...
Do you think it's true,
I
though?
don't know.
Pero kasi they're paid to do that.
Pero hindi mo like yung mag-water, meron
Ay, yung sa yellow.
Yung sa mga
Water.
yellow,
Oo.
gano'n. Tapos meron pa silang time para mag-radiate sa face.
Oo.
Alam mo yun? Kasi parang sa akin, parang I think it's normal or it could be part of your routine if you're, applying serum or
Right.
if you're
Oo.
applying a scrub while you're, kasi yun naman, it can easily fit into your
Correct.
your
Skincare routine.
skincare
Yes.
or your time, your self-care routine,
Correct.
di ba? Ang hindi ko lang talaga gets, yung iba na parang, gumising ka ng alas 3 ng umaga para maglagay ng
yung
yelo
alas
sa
3.
mukha.
Grabe naman sa alas
Siguro may
stress.
viral na ganon.
Three.
Gumising siya ng, like
And I thought 5
this
was
guy,
crazy.
Amen.
this guy, parang he woke up at 3 a.m. to put like ice on his face, tapos uminom siya ng tubig. Ang dami niya nang nagawa until 8 a.m.
3 to 8?
3 to 8.
Full shift na yun, 5 hours.
So, nakatakbo na siya, nakapag-journal na siya, ang dami, plus skincare routine.
Wow.
Tapos, after nun, tsaka siya papasok sa office. Oh my
Oh
God.
my gosh.
I
Pero hindi
don't-
naman 3 a.m. yung alam ko. 6
Masaya
lang.
ba siya?
I do not know, pero a lot of people are clocking this
Yeah.
black guy for saying,
Oh.
so seryoso ka ba, 3 a.m.? Sinong
3 a.m.
ibang
is
ang gagawa niyan?
crazy.
It is crazy.
But the self-discipline, though.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'll give
yeah.
him that.
Yeah.
I mean, I
Is
want
it
that.
discipline though or is it for the cloud?
Possible both.
Oo nga.
That is one of
For
the
the cloud.
questions.
For the cloud.
That is actually
Or
Hindi
siguro
ko
yung
natanggap eh.
Because 3 a.m. is crazy.
Yeah.
diba?
5:30 I understand eh. May mga
Oo.
morning person, normal nila yun.
If you're a mom,
But 3 a.m.
you
is
wake up at
crazy.
Ako matatanggap ko ang
Grabe.
4:30 a.m. for workouts, especially if we're talking about
Well,
Hollywood people. Kasi minsan, Mark Wahlberg is one of them. 4:30 a.m.
Yes.
start ang ano niya.
Trainer ni Mark.
At actually, nakita kami kanina umaga.
Remember mo?
Yes, oo,
Tropa
nag-jogging
pala
kami
pala
dyan
eh.
sa Aguinaldo.
Tropa pala.
Ang galing.
Diyos ko.
Oo.
Ikaw pa, do you have a routine? Or like, are
I'm-
you out of it?
Ako, I'm trying to build a routine. Kasi for the
Okay.
longest time, wala akong... Yung routine ko, literal, gising, ligo, pasok sa office.
Right.
Ganun
Same.
lang.
Same.
So I'm trying to build. Although ngayon, medyo we are falling off the wagon. So,
We're all falling.
Oo.
Q4.
Q4 na.
Q4.
God.
So, kasi ako ngayon mentally parang nandun na ako sa December 27 eh. Yung parang, di ba, di ba,
Yun
Gets
din,
mo?
limbo din yun eh. Today is yesterday, tomorrow is today.
exactly.
Diba? Yun
Ano
yun.
siya eh, felt siya pag kunyari, of course, you guys are experienced, you are previously corporate girlies, pero kasi alam niyo naman na pag dating ng December 27, wala naman siya na ginagawa sa office. So yung utak ko, nandun na siya sa
Nandun na.
December 27.
Nakapagpasko na pala.
Oo.
Nakapagpasko na, inaantay na lang magputukan. Inaantay na lang. So
Yes,
parang,
year-end ka na pala,
pag
sister.
year-end
Oo.
na yung utak.
Mag-Halloween pa tayo.
Yun nga.
Oo.
Diba? Si Mariah sa akin, sa utak ko tapos na siya. Oo, si Manny na yung nag-Happy New
Happy
Year! Siya na
New
yung
Year!
So,
Forward thinker talaga.
Forward
Pag-clock out
thinker.
na si
Oo.
Jose Maritza na lang.
diba? So, ngayon, I'm trying to go back to that routine. Kasi
Yeah.
minsan nga ultimo lotion, minsan parang, shit, nakalimutan ko na naman mag-lotion. Lotion na nga lang.
Oo,
yun.
same.
Diba?
Tapos malalaman mo lang pag may mga ano ka na dry
Yeah.
patches.
Oo, grabe.
Same.
So,
Yeah.
Ikaw, Justin.
Ako din, same with you. So, as a corporate girly, ang hirap talaga to balance the time.
Yeah.
Pero I'm very thankful na work from home ako right now.
Okay.
So, pero hindi ko kaya yung 3 a.m. gising, girl. Hindi
okay.
ko pa rin kaya. So, ang wake up time ko, 8 a.m.
Okay.
Then, I
Not
do
bad.
everything na before 9. Then, clock in na ng 9.
Yeah.
And then, from 9 to 6, I work. As much as possible, tinatry ko mag-walk man lang around the neighborhood. But, may times kasi na parang yung adult stuff, kailangan
Yeah.
mo mag-grocery, kailangan mo
Right.
magsalang ng labahin, kailangan mo
Mm.
magsampay. Mga
Correct.
ganun, you have to cook your dinner,
Yeah.
your own meals.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, parang hindi ko rin masyadong gusto yung bumibili or nagpapadeliver.
Deliver.
Medyo nakakaumay siya.
Tsaka ang mahal
Oh yeah, yun
Sobrang
din,
gastos.
mahal.
Ang sakit sa bulsa.
Mahal,
Sa
oo.
Diyos ko.
In a meal, parang for a meal, 500. Pwede mo
Yeah.
nang dalawang kainan yun kung
Yeah.
may grocery ka. Diba?
So, ang ginagawa ko dyan, may tip ako dyan, kunwari yung meal ko, worth 500. Dalawang meals
Ah,
yan, kailangan lunch and dinner
Oo.
yung bukas.
Pag order din ako ng delivery, it's never a one
Wholesale
meal.
siya.
Lagi
Yes.
yung sharing.
Always.
Kasi
Yeah.
para bukas,
Delivery,
Oo.
diba? Oo.
to share
Sayang
with
din.
whoever in the house.
Correct.
Mahal siya.
Ako, I try to be, like, when it comes to routines, parang, mahirap talaga, mahirap mag-keep up kasi kahit ako, like, bakit ganun? Parang pag may bisita ko, tsaka ako masipag.
Same.
Nakaka-full na ako
For the
may
cloud.
bisita.
Oo.
Tao.
Tapos naisip ko, kaya ko palang gawin to.
Oo,
ng
kaya
ano.
wala akong mag-toothbrush ng nat. Pero ako, besides what you guys are saying, kasi gets na gets ko yung sinasabi niyo na ang hirap i-build yung oras, lalo na sa panahon ngayon and our status and lives. Like, what has been super helpful for me was really reprioritizing na parang, ay hindi. Kasi alam kong magsha-shutdown ako pag hindi ko naalagaan yung sarili ko.
Right.
May ganun na akong, I give importance to that now more than ever because nasanay ako dati, like years ago na wala akong pakialam, parang uunahin ko yung trabaho, uunahin ko yung lahat, like, uunahin ko lahat besides taking care of
Last
myself.
ka.
Yes, which was like, no, sabi ko talaga last year, sabi ko, no, I cannot repeat that. And not now when I'm in this decade na, this should be my prime. So,
Right.
this is my priority now. Yun yung pinaka parang shift sa akin that's been super helpful. Kasi dahil nagre-prioritize ako, na iba yung kung paano ko isipin yung, ay, hindi, no matter what, I'm gonna book that workout. No matter
Right.
what, I'm gonna walk 20 minutes a day. Yung ganon na, this
Right.
is my non-negotiables. I'm never gonna put anything else before this because, no, kasi binigay ko na nga to, 8 hours na ako nagtrabaho, 8 hours ako
Right.
nasa shoot. Like, hindi ko na mabibigay yun.
Yeah.
So,
Grabe, you are
Bye.
blowing my mind.
I know.
Because what you just said, it's so simple and so basic.
simple.
Pero parang,
Oo nga, oo.
Alam mo, actually, you told this like in a previous I'm not sure actually if you said this in a previous episode,
Yes.
pero you've discussed basically what you said.
yeah.
Na aaminin ko, that actually blew my freaking mind.
Really?
Diba? Kasi after nun, parang sabi ko, oo nga no. So meron kang 24 hours, kalahati ng araw mo natutulog ka. Tapos yung kalahati na yon nagtatrabaho ka. So meron ka na ng maliit na oras for you to take care of yourself. So why not maximize that?
Right.
At mas na-prove yung point ko dahil I think kay Tan France sa Queer Eye na parang sinabi niya na self-love is not just about, doing your hair or
Yes.
parang
Zero.
or as much as it's also like loving yourself, you also have to love how you look like.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, importante siya yung parang
Yeah.
how you dress, what you put on your body. Yun yung parang nami-miss siguro ng mga tao madalas. Kasi ako, may time talaga sa akin, aminado ako, napabayaan ko talaga yung itsura ko na parang wala akong pakialam, nalabas ako ng mukha akong may sakit.
Like Britney 2007.
Yes. But breakdown.
During 30s natin, naintindihan na natin.
Naintindihan
Diba?
natin yun.
Diba? Actually, felt si Britney noong
Felt
2007
na
na yun.
talaga.
Oo. Diba? And yun parang napabayaan ko din talaga yung sarili ko. And then when you actually said that, I started parang sabi, oh, ano? So, ano man lang ba ang magpa-thread ka? Ano man lang
Oo.
ba ang bumili ka ng isang scrub para sa tuhod o kaya bumili ka ng ng cream para sa para sa body mo or para sa face mo kasi parang naman siya it's something na people sometimes don't really think about.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? Kaya it's really nice. Sorry, ipasok ko lang talaga. It's really nice that BBB actually has these set of products.
Yes.
Ako, aminin ko, ang naggamit ko pa lang sa set na meron kayo was the serum and the,
Why not serum?
yes, itong orange and then the purple one.
Okay.
So, in fairness talaga doon sa purple, parang, mabango tayo today.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
Yes.
Ang siya talaga, it's hindi po ito, feelers, hindi namin sinasabi ito dahil guest namin sila
Oo.
ako dahil in partnership with, but this is actually like, I really feel like I am really, taking care
Yeah.
of
Yes.
myself.
Yun din yung feelings ko. Yes, yun din yung feelings ko about it. Kasi 'di ba, dine product siya. So parang ako, hala, ang elaborate niya. Parang ang daming nangyayari, ang daming steps.
Mm-mm.
Pero dun ko na feel actually while doing the thing or like trying the products out, na parang, hala, ito pala yung feeling ng talagang inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo kasi nagsiset aside time ka na,
Right.
okay, merong focus areas that you put in na parang, hindi ko
It
naisip
actually makes
na,
sense, diba?
hindi ko
Yeah.
naisip na, meron pa lang ang ganitong, like material or product for that particular thing. So, nakatawa na it's here now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
totoo.
the most important thing is that you're doing it for yourself.
Yes.
And not for other people. So, for
Mhm.
example, the Why Not Serum, it's used to lighten the hyperpigmentations in the
Mm.
Y zone. So, basically, singit.
Yes.
So, parang hindi mo naman siya ginagawa dahil, ay, baka na-conscious ako, yung iba baka makita may singit ko or something. But, you're doing it for yourself. Parang, yun na yung me time mo eh. Mag-apply ka, meron kang routine nga
Yeah.
for yourself.
Correct. Oh my God, can I just say, ngayon ko lang na-realize yung Y-Zone.
Same.
Alam mo kung ano nasa isip ko sa Y-Zone?
Ano?
Ay, girl, buti nga ito yung naisip kong Y-Zone. Sabi ko, kasi Y-Zone, ito ba yun? Simula pa hanggang sa
Girl! Why?
Totoo nga.
I thought this is like, Y-Zone!
Ikaw pa nga, mas matalino ko talaga, sis. Ako talaga. Diba?
Why?
Oo.
I don't know why.
Diba? Why? O, babak or back. Kasi inisip ko parang,
Very informative naman pala to.
Informative.
diba?
Informative.
Oh my God. I love it. Learnings. Oh,
my
diba?
gosh.
Ay, nako.
Oo.
Ikaw,
At least,
have you tried any
Yeah,
other
yeah.
products?
I was able to try the
Revive.
Revive.
For the elbows.
Revival.
Yeah.
Yes.
the acne spray, the back
Mm-mm.
Oh yeah, I
spray.
love that.
Tsaka yung butt scrub.
Yes.
Me too.
I
The blue
love
one.
the feeling.
Ako din.
Oo.
Just saying,
Natuwa rin ako.
scrubbing your
Actually,
butt, it feels
And I like the scent. I like the
And the
scent.
scent,
Yeah. Soft lang siya.
Totoo.
diba?
Unlike me, I'm not a soft girl.
Yes.
Tsaka, speaking of the butt scrub, wala masyadong butt scrub dyan kasi yung mga, like, let's be honest, yung mga tao naman, hindi naman nila iniisip yung puwet nila eh.
Mm.
Diba? Iisipin nila yung puwet nila if it looks perky.
Yes.
But,
Yeah.
diba? I mean, if they look at it, okay, it looks good.
Ah.
Pero like, actually taking care of it, parang wala. Aside sa paghuhugas ng normal na paghugas, parang wala naman. Ako feeling ko lang, ha?
Mm.
Or, meron ba?
Ako maarte ako sa
Sa puwet.
texture.
Oo.
Hindi ako
Oo.
joke. Sa likod, the
Oo.
back knee and the butt knee, ano ko siya, what do you call this? Kut-kut ko siya. Like,
Gets. Gets.
inaarte
Yeah.
ko siya.
Mm-mm.
Ganyan.
Oo.
So parang, if I feel a little something here, or like sa likod,
Kinukuskus mo siya.
agad. Like, I
Mm.
hate feeling something sa likod tsaka sa butt. So yung,
Yeah.
lalo na sa puwet, grabe,
Same.
ang hirap kayang mag-squat ha sa mga public CR.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oo.
Lagi kong sinasabi, kalahati ng butt ko, muscle set from squatting.
Endurance training talaga.
Endurance yan. But yeah, so sobrang ano ko siya, sobrang, what was the term?
High priority
Oo,
for that.
priority ko siya in an arte sense na
Yeah.
hindi talaga ako dumidikit sa kung ano-anong surface.
That's
Yeah.
good.
When I'm wearing shorts, I
Mm.
check where I'm sitting at. Ganyan.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
that's a
yun.
learning for me. Kasi ako, I'm like, wherever, whenever, whatever.
Oo,
I'm
naupo
same,
ka rin
hindi
same.
ako
sa...
hindi ako
Di ba kaya, pag
conscious.
magkasama tayo sa labas, hindi ako nauupo sa mga gutter.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
Hindi naman ako
Hindi naman
Gets.
Alam mo yung girl, yung nauupo sa stairs.
Girl, ba't ka naman kasi
Mali term.
Okay,
Hindi naman, but you
pero
get...
ikaw kasi, mas parang aware ka sa environment. Ako kasi parang, upo.
Oo,
Basta hindi
oo,
basa,
oo.
okay.
Oo,
na, ganun.
Basta hindi basa yun.
Actually,
ako hindi
ako
talaga.
funny pa kasi yung sister ko kahapon, nung basta magkasama kasi kami, sinabi niya sa akin na parang, kamusta na yung, kasi kinikwento ko nga na, I have this something. Tapos sabi niya, alam mo, dapat lahat ng surface area na, lalo na nag-workout ka sa mga yoga studio, you have to wipe that.
Sanitize
And I'm like,
everything.
oh my God, I did not do that. So, fine. Hindi naman.
But yeah,
Kaloka.
check where you're sitting.
Amen.
Actually, sorry.
Dito kasi 'di ba sa Philippines, yung na-mention natin kanina, yung hyperpigmentation. So, it brings a lot of, ridicule and shame within the community. So the usage of whitening products, how does BBB veer away from that school of notion na
Dapat
magpapaputi ako.
maputi.
Oo, dapat
Oo.
maputi. Oo.
Okay, so for BBB, it's about loving yourself naman. It's about self-care. When applying BBB products, you don't have to think of other people. So for example, for me na lang, ayoko hindi naman sa ayoko, pero parang I get insecure pa rin kasi. Hindi pa rin may iwasan talaga that I get insecure of the hyperpigmentation in some areas, like kunwari yung mga underarms natin, kilikili, ganyan, singit, yung Y-zone.
Yes.
Yun.
Learn.
So, for BBB, parang ginagawa ko yan for myself eh. Hindi ko siya ginagawa dahil baka mapansin ng ibang tao. Kasi the effect naman, gradually siya, hindi siya yung biglaan. It's not harsh.
Yeah.
So, it's very gentle. Kaya for BBB, parang kapag in-apply mo siya, hindi naman siya in one day lang you'll see the results. Kasi hindi nga siya harsh. So, kahit na magbibikini ako, for example, hindi para ma-insecure na ako with my hyperpigmentation.
That's really great. Alam mo, parang I was reviewing your products and I saw this, yung may product kayo about sa areolas.
Yes.
Yes, kasi parang I remember, I don't know, actually recently ko lang din nalaman na issue pala sa mga tao din pag medyo dark yung color ng nipples mo.
Tsaka texture.
Diba,
Yeah.
texture?
Apparently.
Oo.
It's an
Na
issue.
parang sa akin, ang weird naman kasi parang bakit pati yun?
Bakit siya
Bakit
issue?
Bakit siya issue? So, ngayon, since na-mention mo naman kasi, di ba, tayo as women, we're very careful with what we put in our body, especially, na-mention naman na din ni Gian kanina, this is the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Yung, just to be clear lang din, of course, with our feeders, dun sa, like the ingredients that you guys have in your products dun sa, para for our boobs, wala naman siyang any harsh chemicals.
Wala.
Kasi, of course, ang takot na lang natin yung lalagay natin mamaya kasi yung products na yon or yung ingredients could lead to,
Yes.
sickness.
Mm.
Worst case scenario, breast cancer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for the ingredients of BBB, for sure, 100%, it's 100% safe.
Yeah.
One, just to share, it's vegan. Number two, it's cruelty-free.
Oh, wow.
And then, for the packaging, it's made out of recycled materials as well. And then, yeah, so going back to the ingredients, wala siyang harmful chemicals. So like what I shared earlier. See, why not? Hindi mo naman siya makikita agad yung effect niya. Hindi
Yeah.
agad puputi yung singit mo, or hindi agad puputi yung kilikili mo, or whatever. But you'll see results eventually with consistent use, of course. For Freeze It naman, it's one of the best sellers. It's used for our back knee and chest knee. Pero pwede rin siya for the face. It's very gentle as well.
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, when I use the products, I really feel na soft girl ako bigla. Parang soft girl summer era ko siya kasi besides the color, besides the palette, the overall feel of the actual serums
Feel.
and like everything, sobrang amazing niya. Like even especially the blue one, yung for the
Scrub ba?
No. Yung magel.
Iron
Which one is the
gel
gel?
chillin.
Yeah,
It's
yun.
used
It's
for
super nice.
post-wax.
Yon, yes. And I'm like, saktong-sakto. Nung inopen ko siya, kakatapos lang. And I'm like, ay,
Oo.
perfect. Sige,
Oo.
let's try that. Cooling
So,
sensation
cooling,
siya.
cooling siya.
Mm-mm.
Very cooling. So, I really love how parang na-incorporate niyo yung parang, parang hindi ako itong brand, pero kaya pa nila niya akong i-capture because of the feeling that is given by the experience of using it. So, yeah. That's what
Parang,
I really like.
with BBB's messaging kasi, parang, naisip namin yung ganong problems ng women's.
Yes. Oo.
Ng
Na hindi mo
women's.
maiisip kasi nga, girl, busy nga tayo, diba?
Oo.
Wala nga tayong tulog.
Oo.
Totoo. And it's actually great na you mentioned na vegan and then vegan yung packaging natin and yung ingredients natin. Parang inaral maayos ng team ng BBB.
Yes.
Kasi syempre, ang dami mong makikita na basta makalagay lang eh.
Oo.
Tapos magugulat ka na lang, mamaya may sakit ka na pala.
Correct.
Tapos, and the thing with, lang din, just to inject, the thing din with breast cancer kasi is, hindi mo agad siya kasi madedetect
Yes.
di ba?
Mm-mm.
Parang, hindi pa lahat ng tao marunong mag-self-check
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
on breast cancer, on, checking your lumps, dito pa sa Philippines, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang baba pa ng mga, ng percentage ng mga
Yes.
nagpapa-check up.
Nagpapa-check. Kasi
And-
mahal din, di ba?
Mahal din.
Mahal din.
Oo.
Mahal din.
Ang sakit,
Yeah.
ang sakit sa puso ko yung
Alam mo yung
mag-check
totoo,
up
wala
ng
kang-
plastic.
Dahil
Wala
dapat pa lang we need to acknowledge the privilege na hindi natin
Oo.
kailangan pumila sa kung ano-anong
Oo,
hospital.
Yes.
kasi-
Totoo.
Pero the fact na tayo nahihirapan na.
Oo.
Diba? What more yung talagang nasa public hospital,
Mm.
yung talagang naka-himlay ng
Yeah.
gilid sa kama,
Yeah.
walang pumapansin na doktor.
Yeah.
Hirap.
Totoo.
Hirap talaga dito sa Philippines.
Actually, I also recently just learned na hindi ko alam, pero hindi ko alam na male people actually can have
Can get-
that
yes.
as well.
Yes.
Like, na parang, this is something that's very parang, ako na to na, well, I nag-aral naman ako. Pero syempre, di ba, parang yung rate then of how people know about this particular, illness, hindi siya ganon ka, I guess, popular or, like we don't
Yeah.
really know
Mm.
what to do. So, it's really important na mapag-usapan siya or at least like, really get
Hindi pa
into...
siya general knowledge
Yeah.
masyado.
Yeah.
Totoo.
Totoo. At saka it's also one of those intimate areas kasi.
Mm-mm.
So hindi talaga siya napag-uusapan.
Yun yung
Masyado.
gusto kong sabihin na parang, is it
Tabu kasi
also
siya?
because we are a
Conservative
conservative
country.
Catholic country?
Mm.
Now, when we're
Mm.
talking about intimate areas such as,
Yeah.
our breast
Yeah.
or whatever, may taboo feeling
Yep.
ka na
Mm.
parang, how can you talk about that in public? Or like,
Mm-mm.
with
Totoo.
just random people.
That's
I
ganyan.
Totoo.
think so. Kasi even yung breastfeeding lang,
Oh, yeah.
papakain ka ng anak mo, literally.
Totoo.
Totoo
Na
na.
parang may ibang people na nag-shame talaga. Na parang,
Yeah.
ay, bakit ka
Oo, why in public?
Breastfeed
Or what?
in
Ay,
public.
sorry.
Oo, gutom yung anak mo.
Oo.
Tama.
Kung hindi ka isa-shame, babastusin ka.
Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
diba?
Ang,
Be
ang
objectified.
hirap talaga.
Yeah.
Kaya it's really important to be aware and to, ang hirap kasi na i-push na parang, mag-research ka, mag-aral ka,
Mm-mm.
when we all know na not everyone will put in the time and effort naman.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
So parang siguro at least when you have, like a good circle who you can talk about with like these
Yeah.
things, or like if you have access to, social media. Like,
Correct.
Yeah.
Actually,
put in the effort. talaga.
totoo. Na-realize ko lang ngayon na parang nalalaman ko lang yung ibang mga sakit kasi when a famous person actually has it. Di ba? Yung mga Hashimoto, yung mga...
Right.
Totoo,
yung
totoo.
Kung ano man yung sakit, sorry Miss Chris Aquino, but kung ano man yun, parang, di ba, I would never really fully understand, but when it's publicized by the media,
Yes.
ayan, madaling kasi
Girl.
makakarelate ka
Oo.
na.
Totoo yan. Alam mo, hindi ko nga alam kung ano yung lupus kung hindi pa nagkaroon si
Selena
Selena
Gomez.
Gomez. Di ba?
So, ito yung silver
I
lining.
understand.
of,
Oo.
Parang may news na may lupus si Selena Gomez, tapos may
Everybody.
Google history ka na ng
Oo,
what
oo.
is lupus?
What is
Diba?
right.
Alam mo, nakakatawa
Oo.
pa. Breast cancer, isa siya sa mga, if I'm not mistaken, di ba, parang isa siya sa mga madaming highest cases.
Mm-mm.
Tapos ngayon,
Hindi na sila
hindi naman ito pinag-uusapan ng mga tao.
Oo.
Yeah.
Grabe. Kaya feelers, ang point talaga, Charis.
Mag-aral kayo.
Oo.
Oo.
Educate yourself.
Yeah. Tsaka,
Yeah.
Kasi may access naman
Yeah.
And I think early prevention talaga.
Yes.
Early
Yeah.
detection. Early
Yeah.
detection.
yes,
Yeah.
totoo naman.
Mm.
So, dapat, check DepEd.
DepEd.
DOH.
DOH, DepEd, Chet. Nananawagan po kami sa lahat ng departamento.
DSWD.
Wag yung isa, wag yung
Wag yung
isa.
isa.
Wag yung isa. X na yun.
X na yun.
Blip, 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 blip.
Oo.
Baka hanap pa sila ng ng
Oo.
panibagong.
Tama.
Para sa
Pero I think also then, I think schools or schools should encourage, or teachers should teach students, young students, para on how to detect. As simple as yung parang
Self-check
yung
lang.
Self-checks
Oo.
talaga.
Kasi yun lang naman ang pinipreach ng mga doktor. Kahit yung friend kong doktor, parang nagtanong ako sa kanya, parang sabi niya,
Paano ba malalaman?
girl, hindi mo muna kailangan pumunta ng ospital. Parang i-check mo
check
muna.
talaga eh.
So, kaya talaga.
Kaya talaga.
Oo.
Diba? Yun
Yeah.
lang naman eh.
Kinapa.
Kaya talaga. Kaya talaga. check ko
hindi siya
nga.
mahirap gawin. As in, as you said, kahit nasa bahay ka lang, watch a YouTube video about
Yeah.
it. Go to TikTok.
TikTok.
Like,
Mm.
kaya mong sabayan.
Mm.
Yeah.
Diba? Madali lang siya talaga.
That's
so at
true.
least you yourself,
Yeah.
you can check talaga.
Yeah.
Again,
Alam na
to
ng
prevent.
feelers yan.
Especially if may family history. Like,
Yes.
Yeah.
Totoo.
in my case, may lahi kami na may cancer,
Oh.
may grandparents,
Yeah.
my dad passed away of cancer. And
Mm.
yung lola ko from mom's side, breast cancer naman. So,
Ako pang-
kailangan talaga, well, for me, kailangan ko talagang alagaan yung sarili ko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, every now and then I check my breasts.
Mm-mm.
Check,
Okay.
oo, and be sure na wala. So,
Nawala. So
Yeah.
far naman, you're
So far,
good.
wala naman.
Oh, that's
good.
great.
That's
Yeah,
really
yeah.
good.
I love that we're, raising also awareness
Yeah.
for breast cancer. And I love that the products that, BBB has doesn't really have chemicals na to help us take care of ourselves.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or tama ba? Tama
It's
ba?
not 100% natural
Oo.
naman. It still has, well, chemicals. Pero
For
it's
sure.
not harmful for us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can
That's
I inject on that? Sorry.
Good.
go.
As an ex-beauty industry girly,
Yeah.
girlies, feelers, yung mga products na binibili natin in general, when you
Mhm.
see yung mga claims na parang whitens in 3 days, in
Ay,
5
Diyos ko po.
days, you should understand na
It's a marketing
it's
ploy.
either a false claim or ganun siya ka-harsh for it to work
Oh.
in just 3 days. So the fact that you said kanina na it's not harsh, the effects is not gonna manifest tomorrow, that's really good, di ba?
Yeah.
Kaakibat nito. Kaakibat?
Kailan?
Nagulat ako sa sarili ko. Sorry.
Akala ko ano kayo? Akala ko BCA. Walang wika na pala ngayon.
Kaakibat.
I'm just as surprised as you guys. Hindi, tutuloy ko na. But kaakibat din nun, yung,
Yes.
when you give talaga time for yourself to take care of yourself, yung patience and yung disciplina to really
Totoo,
do
yes.
the routine, to apply the products every day until you see the results. That's when you can say na,
Yeah.
okay, this is a good product, this is
Oo.
working.
Yes.
It takes consistency
Yes.
talaga.
Kasi in
Yes.
BBB, we are 100% honest.
Yeah.
We
Mm.
don't want to
Amen.
claim na parang, ito, makikita mo agad yung results in
Oo.
3 days.
Yeah.
Ma-whiten agad yung Y-zone,
Yeah.
singit, and all.
Correct.
Yes. So feelers, we love an honest brand. We love honesty here, right,
Yes,
Gian?
we respect that. Amen.
Mm.
We only want, full honesty. And
Yes.
actually, in all honesty.
Yes.
No, kasi we also asked our feelers. I mean, in preparation for this
Oh.
episode, we asked them some questions na medyo, uplifting because I know that we are celebrating a lot of holidays. Yes. Celebrating a lot this season of October. So parang, we asked some of our feelers na parang, ano ba yung moment when you truly felt proud of your body naman? So, is that something that you guys have felt in the past, I don't know, maybe month or so?
Ayoko
What's a
mauna.
moment? Yes, go Zayn.
Ayoko mauna.
Ayaw mo na.
Hindi ko alam.
Justin,
The
the question is, what's a moment when you truly felt proud of your body?
of my body.
Yes.
Well, siguro when I get to dress up. Yun na lang. So, I like dressing up. I like buying clothes talaga for myself. And, I was in the process of, discovering kung ano yung nag-work sa body type ko.
Yes.
So, di ba, with our clothes, parang, for example, hindi bagay sa atin to, or
Oh, yeah.
we don't feel
Yeah.
good in this type of clothing. So, parang, yun yung proud moment ko na, for example, pag nakaka-discover ako ng something na bagay sa akin.
Yeah.
So, that's when I feel the most confident.
Yes.
I
Okay.
love that.
That's super nice. And then, to share lang, one of our feelers, she said naman, ang pinaka-proud daw siya is she's a morena all her life. And some people drag me down using it. In my early 20s, I realized I shouldn't. Parang hindi siya, kumbaga, na-accept na niya. Which is,
Yeah.
I think it also because of what's been happening in the society na
Yes.
mas acceptable tayo nga. Bring it nga yung ano natin, diba?
Yeah.
Yung morena.
Yeah.
Choice natin kanina. So, super gets. And also, ito naman, may isa pa tayong feeler who answered. Sabi niya, noong nakapag-day hike pa ako almost every weekend. And 8 to 10 hours minor hike yon. So, parang, she's really
Yeah.
very proud na physically, endurance niya,
Right.
caring-carry. So,
Tama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ikaw, Pat.
Ako, na-mention mo yung endurance.
Oh.
Sobrang
Meron
random
ba?
ito. Meron, girl.
Ay, wow.
Proud ako nung kaya pa, nung legs ko, at saka yung core ko ang endurance training sa jeep. Alam mo yung pag sinabi sa jeep, na kunyari sabihin, o 10 yan. Tapos hindi talaga siya 10.
Tapos
parang
one
ikaw,
fourth mo na lang
Oo,
yung
oo, yung parang
Diba?
feeling
Yeah, magkaganon
mo,
yan.
delay ka, tapos ang haba ng biyahe, tapos traffic.
Tapos biyaheng antipolo ka pa.
Oo.
Yung lumilipad.
The lights and sounds.
With the lights and sounds,
Oh,
with the jeep saying,
Leg
so
day.
fire,
Oo.
yung ganyan.
Correct endurance.
Endurance, parang ako, pag yun talaga, proud ako sa katawan ko na nagagawa ko yun. Pero ngayon, in my 30s, proud ako sa katawan ko pag ako nakatulog ng maaga. Yun talaga yun.
Ay, amen.
Yun
Gusto
yun.
kong kopyahin.
Copy Copy paste.
Oo, copy paste. Hindi
Yes.
pangarap ko talaga yan.
Totoo.
Hindi ako nagjo-joke. Madali lang yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay eh.
That's good.
Bumalik sa katotohanan yung
Sa
body
Pilipinas.
Yung time zone mo.
Bumalik sa
Oo.
Pilipinas.
Actually,
yung body clock.
Same. Nung nagka-smartwatch na ako, parang doon ko talaga trenak yung hours of sleep. And I'm so like, oh my God, 6 hours lang? No, tulog ka ba? Ganon, yun. Yeah. Okay. So the next question that we ask our feelers is, tell us about a time you surprised yourself with what your body can do. Pwede sigurong positive or negative, take it as you will.
What my body?
Your butt. I'm so surprised. Cherry. Ako, my body can take a lot of things. I don't want to prove it, but I can see it.
May talent portion ba dito?
Hindi ko nga i-prove, di ba?
So,
Pero, ano bang nakaya? Nag-ano kasi ako, yoga. Yoga is my current obsession right now. Different kinds of yoga. So, merong class na doon na strap yoga. Ang OA talaga. Papunta na siyang BDS. I love it.
masakit sa
I
katawan
love
yan.
it.
Pero
Oh my God.
masaya.
I mean, yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
Pero favorite ko na parang, ay, kaya ko palang i-stretch talaga yung
Right.
buong katawan ko and all that. So, na-proud naman talaga.
Yeah. And using all of your
Na-surprise.
muscles na hindi mo nagagamit.
At control.
Okay.
Yeah. And tsaka using it, di ba parang, pag sa normal gym naman kasi hindi naman yung lahat ng muscles mo nagagamit mo.
Mm.
And in yoga,
Stretch na
gagamitin
stretch
talaga
ka
niya
talaga.
lahat. Oo, gamit na
Amen.
gamit ka talaga.
Alam mo, gusto ko i-try mag-yoga, pero parang ang intimidating niya. For me,
Talaga?
Oo.
It's a
Masaya,
nice
masaya mag-yoga.
practice.
really?
Yeah.
Pero
Very
different siya from
grounding.
Pilates, right?
Oh,
Oh
iba
my
pa.
God, Pilates.
Tsaka madaming iba't ibang klase ng yoga. May
Yes.
power yoga, vinyasa, yin, yang. Super dami.
So
Yeah.
nice.
It's really good.
So,
Like, try it.
hanapin mo lang din what you need
Ano
or
yung
bet
what
mo.
will work
Mm-mm.
best for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Kayo. So,
Sorry, ano yung
the
question?
question is, tell us about a time you surprised yourself with what your body can do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ako, sige, ano,
Yung iba yung time zone.
sasabay ako sa workout and
Mm.
Oo.
being active. After I left the corporate, syempre ang dami ko lang time.
Yeah.
So parang...
Pero wala kang time matulog.
Pero wala akong
Diba?
time matulog.
How ironic.
Ano ba, diba? It's frustrating.
Gets.
Hindi, pero ang nabalikan kong activity, boxing,
Mm.
tsaka,
Oh, wow.
Muay Thai.
yeah, Muay Thai.
Yes.
Once in a while, I get to play football.
Ooh.
Kami, mag-share lang ako story. Kami ni Gian, nag-share kami with our other friends nung yung fitness
Sa Move Ring.
activity.
Ah.
So parang pagka Gian finished the workout,
Oh, you
mag-notify
saw-
sa amin
you see
lahat yan.
Oh, wow.
Tapos yung group natin, eh
Ah.
ako kasi, hindi ako walker, hindi
Ah.
ako runner.
Ah.
Tamad ako talaga basically. Umamin na lang. Pero hindi ako yung everyday,
Active,
I
physical.
run, I walk, hindi ako ganon. Obviously, hindi ako ganon. So may one time, parang nag-football ako. Tapos nag-notify sa kanilang lahat. Zayn
Nagulat ako.
played football for like 2 hours. So parang, what the hell happened? Biglang nagganito.
Oo, tsaka yung ring mo naging parang 2,000
2,000.
okay.
Oh my
Over
God.
500.
So, yun, sakit ba to or a perk?
Yeah.
A pro or ako na parang it's masyadong extreme for me.
Extreme naman.
It's
All or
either
nothing ka eh.
Naglalakad-lakad lang ako sa Makati for like 10 minutes or talagang takbo hard.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nag-marathon ka na niyan.
Marathon bigla. Ganyan.
Correct. How about you, Justin?
Ako, I used to do boxing before. Pero nung bata-bata pa ako nun.
Gets.
Parang college
Oo.
era pa. Or even high school pa nga yata eh. Pero ngayon kasi, when I started working, nahirapan na akong to balance
Yeah.
my time. especially nung on-site pa yung work ko, as in everyday on-site, parang ang cardio ko na yung paglakad to the office.
Oo.
Yun na. Or yung commute pa uwi, yun na.
Yung
Pero, lunchtime, oo. Mga madali ka na kasi 1 p.m. na. Yun, so, pero for now, ngayon, currently, I'm starting to incorporate na yung walking or
Yeah.
slight jogging
Yes, yes.
sa routine ko.
Okay.
So,
So,
kahit around the neighborhood lang.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-mm. Ako siguro ang pinaka-surprising sa akin na like kaya ng katawan ko is I really love skating. I really love ice skating. I frustrated figure skater. So the fact na kaya pa ng katawan ko, naaalala pa niya yung mga tinuturo ng coaches ko before is legit na amazing. Oo, parang oh my God, kaya pa niya.
Muscle memory.
Saya. Oo,
Ang,
masama.
ang saya niya. Grabe, yun yung parang ay, sorry po.
At least,
Yun
nakaya mo pa.
Oo, yun yung parang wow, amazing.
Kaya ang hirap niya sa legs, ha?
Ang freeing talaga.
Totoo.
Parang ang gaan-gaan ng life. Ang sarap-sarap ng feeling.
Totoo,
Yeah.
sobra,
Skate
sobra.
na tayo next time.
Actually, alam mo,
Come on.
ginagawa ko din yan yung sa SM South Mall pa nga kami. Pero hindi ko na siya maalala. Dati pa kasi yun, nung sa South Girly pa ako.
Mm-mm.
So parang, it's fun, but like, hindi ko siya na-master.
Right.
So nakakatakot. Pero,
I think gawin natin next activity.
yeah,
Mag-skate
oh my God,
tayo.
let's do
Yes,
that.
I love it.
A
Say,
day,
come on.
skate day out. Whoa. Okay, for our final body love story, the question that we asked, which is my favorite actually, is, what's one thing you've learned to love about your body that you didn't?
That I did.
Yes. Parang natutunan mo na siyang, i-accept ko na to, ganyan. Anything. So, sige, I'll share yung mga answers ni feelers natin. Sabi nila, my belly, nung napaliit ko na siya through walking exercise in many months. Tapos yung isa naman, sabi niya, my Pinoy signature pango nose. And then, one of our feelers also answered, yung stubborn fats ko and my weird body condition that I have an allergic eye reaction to cardio. So they're very very physical lahat nung sinabi nila
Yeah.
na, di ba, parang, sa una talaga, especially pag ikaw yung kalaban mo sarili mo mismo na hindi
Yes.
mo matanggap na bakit ako ganito. But it's nice to eventually accept you, di ba? Na parang, okay na ako dito. Kasi, ano ba ang akin? Iniisip ko din. It's mine.
I have one.
Go.
Okay, so for me, big cheeks talaga ako ever since. So kahit yung yung sisters ko, yung brothers ko, yung mga pamangkin ko from my sister, lahat talaga kami mapisngi. And I remember this one time. Parang I was 16 years old siguro pa. Tapos yung ex-situationship ko, he told me na, sabi niya, alam mo yung maganda sana yung katawan mo, pero yung ulo mo hindi proportion sa katawan mo. So parang,
wow.
hanggang ngayon, naalala ko pa rin siya. And tumatatak pa rin sa isip ko na parang,
May
yung angle ko na,
sa'yo
ano yung angle ko na
Correct.
hindi masyadong malaki yung cheeks
Oo.
ko, or yung mukha ko, or yung ulo ko. So sabi niya
Hahanapin
parang,
ko yung pangalan mo. I'll
Oo.
help you.
Oh my God! Gagawa ko siya ng book, The Lion, the Witch, and the Audacity of the Spirit.
the audacity, diba?
Talaga.
Parang, I wish lang nung time na yun na napagtanggol ko yung sarili ko. Pero, ang sinabi ko lang sa kanya, oo nga eh.
Yes.
Oo, yun lang. Tapos parang,
Kasi syempre siya ka din na, bakit
yeah.
kapal naman ito?
Oo, until now, 10 years, more than 10
Yeah.
years after, naalala ko pa rin kung paano niya sinabi yun. Yun. So,
How old were you then? I mean like,
parang 16.
16.
16, 15.
Oh my God, sobrang
mga ganun.
bagets
Basta
pa.
teenage
Oh
years
my
pa.
God.
So parang
Wow.
until now, at 28 years old, naalala ko pa rin yun. I
Uy,
hate
pero now, sineselebrate ang
Correct.
cheeks. Kasi,
Yes.
di ba nauso is it called buccal fat?
Yes,
removal?
yes.
So, nauso siya yung mga
Oo.
Oo.
Pa-fish.
Snatch.
Pa-fish.
Yung
Oo.
talagang lubog ang
Snatch.
ginite.
Hugis,
Oo.
So,
bigas.
parang yung naging take-away ng mga tao na parang it can look nice like for certain people, pero nakakatanda talaga siya.
Totoo.
So yung
Yeah.
mga cheeks na may laman, parang na-celebrate siya bigla because it keeps you like looking younger,
Yes.
and mas fresh.
Totoo.
Hello,
Yes.
diba?
I love my big cheeks.
Yeah.
Amen.
Yeah, proudly.
Celebrate
As I
that.
should. Amen.
Diba?
Oh, who else? Anong itanong? Gusto niyo ba yung
Hindi,
different?
sige, ako.
Alam mo na.
Ano na ako? Ako, yung sa akin is my arms. Nakatakip man siya ngayon, pero kasi hindi maganda ang camera angle natin pag nilabas ko. Pero I remember one of my office mates asked me before na, parang sabi niya, ang galing mo naman, nakakapag-sleeveless ka. Ano to parang yung parang sabi, sorry naman siya na parang sabi niya, ang laki kasi ng ano mo ng braso mo. Curious ako, paano mo siya nagagawa? Parang how do you get that kind of confidence to where...
Pag sinimulan yung line, no offense or like,
Oo.
Alam mo,
confident
offensive
mo
eh.
naman.
Oo. Offensive yun.
Alam mo,
Kapag ano.
Actually,
diba?
totoo yun. Tapos parang sabi ko naman sa kanya, well,
Wait lang, is this person a guy or girl?
it's a girl.
Ooh,
It's a girl.
interesting.
Kasi ang problem naman niya, she's smaller than me. She's very voluptuous actually. Pero nai-insecure siya sa arms niya, tsaka sa tiyan niya kasi yung ex-boyfriend niya ay medyo asshole.
It's always
To say
the
the
men.
least.
Men.
Yes, always the men.
the problem.
And
Not all men, but always a man.
yes,
Amen.
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 I love that.
Diba? So sabi niya kasi din yung boyfriend niya very controlling on how she dresses. So parang ako, sis, mag-break na kayo. Pero anyway, so sabi niya, where do you get that kind of confidence? Ako sabi ko sa kanya, well, number one, mahirap siyang mahalin. Kasi everyday nakikita mo siya na may tabakan lumalabas sa kilikili mo. Alam mo yun, hindi na siya mawawala eh. So ako, ang sa akin, well, nandyan ka na, nagabayad ka naman ng renta, might as well, edi mahalin na lang kita dyan. Hindi ka naman mawawala unless magpa-lipo ako. O pag nagpapayat naman ako, magiging sagi din siya. So, panibagong mamahalin na lang din yun. So, might as well ngayon, habang hindi ka pa sagi, wala akong pang-lipo, edi stay.
Alam mo, Pat, to
Tama.
add to her kwento about that, kay Pat ko natutunan na mahalin yung arms ko. Alam mo bakit?
How?
Kasi sinabi mo yan sa isang episode na parang you were talking about that particular part of your body na parang kailan ko pa mamahalin yung arms ko pagka, alam mo yon kailan pa? So parang doon ako nagising na, oo nga no, parang bakit nga? Kasi ako, hindi rin ako, it's not that I'm not confident. Like, I can wear whatever naman. Parang carry ko naman. It's just that, parang, I think in my 20s to nung sabi ko, parang parang ganito siya. Up until hindi ganito yung itsura ng arms ko, ay hindi ko isusuot tong ganito or hindi
Yes.
ako magre-reveal. May ganun akong thinking before. And then, nung sinabi mo yun sa akin, nung kunento ba maybe 2 years ago or something, doon ako gumising na parang, hala, oo nga, no, parang, why wait? Like, why wait for the perfect timing? Hindi dapat. I mean, ikaw na sa sarili mo, di ba? As a woman or as a person to like, really fully like, sige, let's own this.
Yeah.
So, ang ganda nun. Ang
Can
ganda.
I also add,
Go.
na parang nakatanim kasi talaga sa atin, not just women, like I think everybody na to not love fully
I
what
know,
we have.
bakit? Ano
Eh,
meron?
parang kunyari kanina, ako hindi naman ako full Filipino, di ba? So naturally, hindi ako morena. So goal ko yan, nagpapatan ako lagi as much as I can. Yung mga morena, nagpapaputi. Yung mga payat, nagpapalaki. Yung mga matataba, nagpapapayat. It's always like that. Tsaka parang, kunyari, you mentioned kasi dati in your 20s na until hindi mo na-reach yung ganitong itsura, hindi mo susuotin yan. Pero parang, lagi ko tong na-realize na when I look back at old photos, kunyari, yung photos ko from high school, feeling ko ang laki-laki ko nung high school.
Same.
Tapos mas malaki naman ako now.
Same.
Compared to
Same.
before, di ba?
Same.
Nung college, nung working ako in my early 20s. So I think, nakatanim lang talaga siya sa mentality
Bakit
natin
na?
growing up na parang, eto ka ngayon, hindi ka perfect, kahit ano mangyari.
Oo.
Yeah.
Right?
Oo.
Yeah.
So I think kailangan lang natin yung labanan.
Yes. And to wake up from that
Yes.
notion na,
Yeah.
bakit nga ba? Di ba? Yeah.
Totoo.
Amen. Amen to that.
Tsaka, wait lang sorry, i-add ko lang. I really have this pet peeve. Kaya din, nag-decide ako na ganun yung thinking ko na, mag-sleeveless na ako, bahala na kayo dyan, kasi kailangan ko siya mamahalin. Kasi, number one, ang pangit ng selection, at least dito sa Philippines, pagdating sa mga tops for plus size women.
Oh my God.
Diba?
Lagi
Oo
pang
nga,
principal.
Diba? Pa-maternity na, diba?
Pang-maternity, minsan ang pinaka-sexy sila, quote and unquote, is may butas sa shoulders. Ano gagawin sa butas sa shoulders? Diba? Ano siya? Tinatalo ng tandem na bilis siya. Diba? It's so stupid. So parang ako, kailan ako magkakaroon ng isang corset na I feel sexy in? Where kailan ako mag-tube top o kaya isang romper na I look really cute in? Kung ang ibibigay nyo sa akin may botas o kaya takip yung, di ba?
Or print on print.
Oo.
Di ba? Parang napakalola naman. Huwag naman po.
Ay, mas yun din naman. Factory in China.
Exactly.
No?
Diba?
ng damit ng plus size.
Kaya ako, natutuwa ako sa ibang bansa. Especially, hindi namin siya sponsor, pero love na love ko ang H&M and Mango for having inclusive sizes.
Yeah.
Kasi ang ganda na ng style at saka alam mo yun,
Wearable talaga.
wearable pa
Yes.
talaga. Hindi ka bibigyan ng nakakatanda na itsura.
Oo.
Ay, na. May naalala. Sorry, ang pangit. Baka ma-shade. Wag na. Okay na ako. Okay na. Yun. Ay, ano
Ano yung
ba?
tanong mo?
Ano ba? Ay, hindi pa pala ito.
Ang tanong is
One thing you've learned to love about your body that you didn't before. Yeah. Yun na yung final question.
Mahaba yung sagot ko.
Go! Go!
One thing na I love about my body na dati hindi. Low-key, everything. Like, okay, let's rewind a little bit. Nung bata pa lang ako, as in, I'm talking about preschool, grade 1, grade 2. Yung mom ko. So, para lang may context, I'm a single child, grew up with a single mom. So, 1v1 kami. Ganyan. So, yung mother ko, bata pa lang ako, sinasabi niya na sa akin, oh, anak, ito yung mga pwedeng i-bully sa'yo, ha? Ganito
gusto ko yung may
ganito
orientation.
yung, pwede na lang sabihin, ganito yung pwede mong gawin. So, as early as maybe I was 5, 6, 7 years old, alam ko na malaki ang kid talaga. Like, ever since. Hindi naman ako yung lumaki lang nung matanda na. So, parang alam ko na pwede akong i-body shame.
Yeah.
Yung itsura ko, I look different than the rest. Ano pa ba?
Kasi you grew up in the Philippines na.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Naalala ko yung mga nabully sa akin nung bata pa ako. Oh, yung pag-arabo, mabaho.
Oh my God. Okay.
Kulot, yung hair, but
The usual.
the stuff, the body hair,
Yeah.
diba? Dati, oh my God, side cheetah. Meron akong unibrow, pero hindi OA. Pero pag hinawakan ko, ma-feel ko siya.
Yeah.
So parang feeling ko grade 1 or grade 2 ako. Inahit ko siyang ganun.
Oh my
Oh my
God.
God.
yung Gillette na yung pagmama na talagang mahaba, isang ganun talaga. Tapos, syempre, na half-half yung kilay ko.
So, lahat nilapat mo talaga?
Hindi ko siya, mali ko ba naman sa...
ginanon niya.
Oo, ganun.
Sa
Hindi yung
shaping.
ganon.
Diba?
So,
So, talagang, sa 11 ko.
Oo.
So, yung talagang, di ba ganyan siya? Yung
Oo.
ganito.
God.
So, parang buong summer, hindi ako lumabas ng
Very
balloon.
naked ka pala.
Kasi But yeah, di ba? Bata pa lang ako, and
Oo.
na-insecure na ako sa body hair. Grade 1? Grade
Oh my
Bata
God.
talaga? Kasi ako lang yung may ganun eh.
Oo.
But going back nga, buti
Wow.
na lang, na-brief ako at na-orient ako ng mom ko. I mean, syempre, hindi siya foolproof plan na parang, okay, alam ko na so hindi na ako masasaktan.
Yes.
Syempre, may feelings pa rin
Of
of
course.
pain and hurt. Pero, at least, at the back of my head, parang, okay,
Prep.
ganito talaga eh. So, ganito yung mangyayari, ganito yung pwedeng sabihin, ganito lang din yung pwede ko i-react.
Okay.
Diba? So, growing up, especially now in like my 30s, at least, even if like I'm a big girl, I know how to dress properly for my size, for my proportions. I know the colors. I know how I look like.
Yeah.
I don't care with wearing yung mga sleeveless, the tubes, the short shorts, the skirts. Pero gusto ko aralin mag-dress. Hindi ako dress girly talaga. I'm a street style girl.
Street style,
So
yeah.
gusto ko mag-try mag-dress. But anyway, at least the body, physical body, everything. The hair, minahal ko na talagang
Tinanggap
kulot
mo na
ako.
talaga. And
I
you
have
know what?
body hair.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, I feel like sobrang totoo. I'm not telling you this because you're my friend, but nafe-feel ko yung aura na parang, I don't care. And
Yeah,
also
yes.
like, I accept this. Like,
Correct.
kasi ako nga, hindi ako ganyan. Hindi ako ganyan ka-accepting of me. Like, I'm so, anong tawag doon? Parang,
Conscious?
hindi naman din conscious,
Hindi naman-
pero very like,
Aware ka
or like, how do you describe me?
tao ba to?
I think it's a C word. What's the C word? Hindi conscious. I'm very like meticulous. Parang gano'n.
Hindi
Yun
naman
na lang.
C-word siya.
M pala yun.
Nervous naman daw kasi.
Oo. OCD, meticulous na parang, hindi pa rin ako perfect. Yung gano'n. Which is like, hindi ko matanggal-tanggal yun. Pero, hindi, alam ko pala kung bakit. Daddy issues. But that's another topic,
That's
guys.
another episode.
That's another
Ah,
episode.
Pero di ba when you stress about kasi how
Yeah.
you look,
Para
bakit tayo
saan?
lagi kang papangit ka lalo?
Oo.
Tsaka
Diba?
it radiates eh.
Oo.
Yes.
So for
Aura mo
example,
talaga.
oo,
Diba?
yung nafe-feel namin sa'yo na parang you're full of confidence.
Oo.
Parang nakaka-inspire
Amazing.
siya
Yes.
sa ibang tao. And if you're a person na conscious talaga,
Yeah.
mararamdaman din siya ng ibang tao eh.
Oo, totoo.
Feel talaga.
Yeah.
Totoo yung
It
energy,
shows.
guys.
Totoo
It shows.
Totoo yung energy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kaya parang kailangan talaga, you take care of who you are din.
Correct.
And ikaw sa sarili mo, alam mo na
Correct.
you're taking care of yourself. Yun.
But also, sa feelers, we all need to understand na this will not happen overnight.
Yes.
Pag pinilit mo ang confidence, it will backfire
Yeah.
Correct.
on you talaga.
Always.
Kasi nagsisinungaling ka sa sarili mo.
So real.
So, kailangan,
Because-
again, consistency, effort, disiplina sa sarili,
Yeah.
di ba? So,
Yeah.
talagang tsatsagain mo siya at hindi mo siya pwedeng pilitin because it will not work. It's
It will
yes.
not.
Totoo.
for the cloud. Again,
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
Totoo.
Ang ganda, ang powerful.
And
niya.
sometimes, babalik ka rin back to zero.
Exactly.
Oh my
Ganun
gosh.
days.
And we don't
Yes.
want
Yeah.
that
Yes.
because
Totoo.
work is work.
Yeah.
No
Kasi
matter what.
minsan, akala ko, tapos na ako mag-reinvent ng sarili, at tapos na ako mag-rebrand,
Correct.
tapos na akong mag-improve.
The never
Ah,
ending
no.
Hindi
research.
siya tapos. Which I like. Which
Ah,
I like.
totoo,
Na parang,
totoo.
okay pala to.
Pero
Yeah.
minsan din nakakatakot na parang isang rebrand pa villain eh.
Oo.
Yes.
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 Diba?
Yes.
Parang
Amen.
isa pang
Isa pa?
Mm.
Demonyo na to.
Oo.
wala na akong
This
paka-
this is the start of my villain arc.
Correct.
Diba?
Amen.
Wala na.
As in, literally, this.
Oo,
Ah,
yeah.
Tuloy yung
Ganun.
Gets
dapat
na
na po.
gets.
Oo,
Tama.
tama.
Minsan kasi
Diba?
people will push you eh.
Yes. My
So let's
God.
be honest. It's a wrap up na.
Yes. Yes, alam.
Amazing! Let's
Magaling,
be
magaling,
honest.
Ang galing.
It's time for our hot takes.
Okay.
Meron ba gusto may mauna sa mga hot takes na emerald natin today?
Sige, ako na. I'll kick this off
Mm.
first. Okay. So ako, it's not exactly a hot take, more of like a piggy backing type of situation. So, general siya, hindi siya sa one particular topic, but
Ay, hindi gusto ko. Sorry.
Gusto ko.
Eme lang.
pero siguro first is that tama yung sinabi niyo na you can't really fake confidence kasi
Amen.
it really shows.
Yes.
At saka if you continue faking it, you know, faking your confidence, eventually you will hate yourself na parang, at saka mapagod ka na parang, nagpapanggap ako eh. Nakakainis, bakit ako
Pagod?
nagpapanggap? So, I think, like my siguro ang pinaka best way to start is that you find something that you actually like about yourself. Merong isang ginawa si Meghan Trainor, parang sa isang they discussed this in one podcast, and then she said na after she gave birth, ayaw niya yung itsura ng katawan niya.
Okay.
So she hated the stretch marks, she hated how her tummy looked like. So apparently, effective yung 5-minute experiment. So what you actually do is that you stand in front of a mirror for 5 minutes naked, and then you look at yourself quietly. As in,
So
walang...
that's what it's called.
Yes. So ano siya, walang music, walang kahit ano, you just look at yourself. So sa kanya daw, parang hirap na hirap siya dun sa 5 minutes na yun because she can't really look at her body. And then you do that every day. And then slowly, you will see something na parang, okay, so masasanay ka na sa itsura ng katawan mo, and then you find something na, oh, I love this. I love this soft part of my body. Oh, I love this. So I think that's a really good start to how to love, you know, parts of your body that you don't actually really like.
Mm.
So yun. That's my
Ito yung gandang
hot take.
homework, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
I-practice
Oo.
din natin.
5
Yeah.
minutes? Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Pero yung first 5 minutes, kasi ako I actually tried.
Aha.
First 5 minutes, girl, ang hirap. As in, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa siya tinutuloy kasi parang, ang dami mong nakikita sa sarili mo na ayaw
Ayaw.
mo.
And again, we're trained to spot the ayaw
The
natin
ugly,
agad.
the
Yes.
ayaw.
Yes.
Yeah, totoo.
Ang hirap niya, but that's a really
Thank you,
good
Megan.
practice.
So,
Thank you, Megan.
Megan.
Kayo guys,
Ako meron.
go.
Ang hot take ko is sa'yo. May pin pala. Hindi naman. No, ito lang kasi naalala ko na pinin ko na ito na yung hot take. Which is, I don't know, but honestly, hindi ko siya hot take kung I'm a different Gian. But when you
Yes.
said about the butt na parang people don't really think about their butts.
Yeah.
I think they do. I mean, like, not just yung physical na itsura, the
Yeah.
size and everything. Feeling ko lang, mas may, ewan ko, in the past few years, parang feeling ko it's such a big, parang, ano
Oh.
tawag doon? Status symbol when you have something down, back there, na parang, you have this gift and all that. So feeling ko people are very much into it. Or I don't know, maybe
Yeah.
the beautiful black ladies. I don't know.
Yeah.
Feeling ko.
Gets.
Yun lang. Which is actually, hindi ko sabi, can I have that?
Yes.
Yun.
So it's a me thing lang pala.
Oh, it's
okay. Yeah,
Ay, ewan
okay.
ko, pero yun lang. That's my comment.
Kayo guys.
Yeah, I think meron ako. Parang I like lang what you said. Yung ginawa ng mom mo sa'yo.
Super love.
Yes.
I love
Super
that.
love that.
I love that. Thank you,
Amen.
mother.
Yes.
Ayun, so,
Ang galing nun.
I think maganda siyang gawin. Kasi, parang it's something na kung hindi natin makokontrol yung sinasabi ng iba,
My God.
we'll just focus on what we can control. And yun yung ginawa ni mother
Yes.
kay Zane. Na parang, kapag binuli ka, ganito yung gawin mo. Ganito yung
Yeah.
sabihin mo.
Ganda.
I like that.
Pa-add ako dyan. Kaya, I think sa ating apat ikaw yung mas close sa akin. I think you know yung attitude ko talaga na what I cannot control, I don't give
I surrender.
Yes.
Yes.
Wala akong pake.
Correct.
Kasi, correct ka,
Ganun.
bata pa lang ako, na-train na ako na parang, if hindi ko yan kaya
Ganda ng training.
palitan, bye. Next. Diba? Kasi sa
Sobra. Ganun-ganun ka nga,
Oo,
actually,
yun.
as a person.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Napagtanto.
Amazing.
Ano nangyayari sa akin Tagalog?
Tanto. Ano ka, Wika? Talaga pag may recording.
Napagtanto.
Kami ni Pat, ganyan ka.
When you said na,
Yeah.
ano,
Can I just say, can I add? Mother deserves the Mother Award.
The
She is really
recognition.
mothering. I love it.
Correct.
makakarating.
Mother
Oo.
compliment. Yes.
Yes.
Ang galing niyo.
Salamat po,
Yeah.
makakarating sa akin.
Mhm.
Okay. Ikaw ba? What is your hot take?
Wala akong hot take, pero can I just piggyback on this whole conversation?
Yes.
Yeah.
Na I'm really happy na this is at least yung mga napag-usapan natin na we're very openly talking about our insecurities,
Yeah.
the things that we wanna change or like the things that we wanna improve rather or kasi parang nasabi na natin kanina na when we talk about our bodies, when we talk about yung mga the body fat, the myth, whatnot, laging may patago na parang, ay, kaso ganito.
Yeah.
Diba? So the fact that we have the floor, the platform to really voice out and talk,
Totoo.
ang ganda na parang, maybe the world is changing.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely,
Diba?
maybe.
Diba?
Yeah.
Yun.
Yeah. Sana lang hindi siya echo chamber na tayo lang. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
yun talaga.
Delusional lang pala
Oo,
tayo
eh.
lahat.
Pero yun yung parang nagiging, ko rin na parang amazing siya kasi like-minded people tayo. But then,
Correct.
I hope the other feeders or other people
Yeah.
can really also do that the same or something.
Yeah. And open up the space to be, vulnerable.
Yeah.
And not judge people for what they can control.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Diba?
Definitely.
Alam nyo, alam ko na yung hack. Walang podcast nung boomer era.
Tama.
Wala sila.
Tama.
Di ba?
Walang access
Walang
talaga.
access.
Wala.
Kaya sila ganun. Sorry, pero feeling ko
Hindi,
lang.
pero, sige,
Sorry,
dagdagan
but
ko dyan bilang
go.
palakera tayo
Go.
lahat dito.
Yes.
Yun ang hot take. Walang
Yes.
podcast
Oo.
natin.
Diba, parang feeling natin, mali yung thinking ng mga boomers, mali yung
Oo.
thinking ng mga matatanda.
Oo.
Ang na-realize ko din, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin mali sila kasi reality nila yun eh.
Correct.
So tayo
yeah.
Their
din, when they
circumstance.
say na, ang grabe mag-voice out tong mga millennials na to, Gen Z na to, konting problema, konting kibot, talak-talak. Hindi rin nila pwedeng sabihin problema because this is our reality and we have the platform.
Yeah.
Sila before, nung
No
you
TikTok.
said walang podcast, walang access, saan ba sila magre-research po?
Radyo, no?
Encyclopedia,
Oo.
Yeah.
library,
Isa-isa.
diba?
Correct.
Isa-isa.
Yeah.
Unlike tayo na parang may question, TikTok.
Yeah.
Hindi na nga tayo nag-google sa Google eh.
Oo.
Nag-google tayo sa TikTok. Ganun kadali.
Yeah.
Right? So, yun lang yung
Gets.
hot take ko pa.
I love
Hindi mo
that.
Oh, I love that. I love that.
So, this leads us to closing our episode. We are actually happy that you stayed the end. But before we end the episode, Justin, Zane, you have anything you want to plug? Say to our feeders?
Siguro check out the IG na lang of our boutique creative agency. It's C Studios on IG. Gagawan natin pa lang siya ng TikTok and everything.
Yay.
So, yeah.
Nice. Spell it.
SEA Studios.
Celine D. Thank you so much. Yes.
Ikaw naman, Justin.
For me, support BBB lang. It's available in Watson stores and SM department or SM beauty stores.
Yes. Where can we follow BBB?
You can follow BBB's IG, TikTok, and Facebook. So just search Let's BBB Honest.
Yes.
Yes, amazing. And they've been very honest with this
Yes.
episode.
Amen.
So, once again, thank you for watching Feelings Explained. Bye!
Bye!